Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Long-lasting makeup hack. No more creases. Step 1. Apply a moisturizer. Step 2. Now you're going to apply your powder. Be sure not to put too much. Step 3. Apply your setting spray. Step 4. Once your setting spray is done drying, you're going to apply your primer. Step 5. Last but not least, you're going to apply your foundation. Then you can move on to contouring as you would normally do your makeup. Here's the beautiful results. Follow these steps and you will no longer have creases throughout the entire day, and your makeup will last for 24 hours. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!